Man, y'all see the vibes, man. We out here in South Florida, man. South Florida vibes, man. I'm playing. Y'all know we here in Indiana, man. Ain't nothing too crazy going on, but y'all know I'm on the water, though. Y'all know I'm looking at the water, though. Every time. It's stink down here, though, low-key, so we just gonna get to it, man. I see the bike up there with the Predator. 212 on that thing. Running. Before I get too close and get too loud, bruh. I tried to start it today. I didn't ride it at all yesterday. I tried to start it today, bro, and the compression was so high, it lifted the whole bike off the ground, bro. Like I was not expecting all that. I don't know why it was doing that. It's been, I mean, I've turned it off and started it twice since then. It's still high, but I mean, it hasn't affected anything, so I don't know if it's normal or what. But y'all see we out here in the trees, man. We're not gonna ride on the trails today. I don't have my cover on the chain, so I really shouldn't even be out here. But yeah, you see we got a little hill to start the video off with, man, before we get to it. See how this engine hold up, put it to the real test, man. Oh my God. Bro, that was honestly crazy. My 196 never would have did that. Hey y'all, another thing too is, I forgot to tell y'all before I started riding. I got some grips. I got some grips coming tomorrow, and I got an exhaust pipe coming tomorrow. You feel me? I got the governor bypass, so I'm not gonna push it too crazy. I mean, I'm gonna push it a little bit. Y'all know me, but not to the point of detonation. She running, y'all. She running. If y'all hear that rattling, I don't know if I put this on wrong or not, but it rattles like it's not all, I don't know why. Like it's just actually low, like that wash is literally starting to bend a little bit. I'm not sure. I didn't get that 30. Or I don't even know, maybe they all shake like that. I just don't know. But ooh. Sorry. All right, y'all, let's keep going. I'm gonna turn around right here. I'm a new man since I came down this road last time. Oh. where disaster struck last time. Not too bad, y'all. Not too bad, man. Try to do a wheelie. Not successful, not successful. That kid was not impressed. I tried. Oh man. Finally successfully got a POV rod for y'all, man, with the Predator 212 on it. But low key, I'm thinking I'm gonna try to start it up for y'all real quick so y'all can just see like what I was talking about though. Real quick. Might as well. Let me show y'all. Alright. Kill switch, gas on, put it in run, it's pretty hot obviously. Now watch this, look. You see that? And it backfired, okay. Look, let's see now. Okay. See right there. But then if I pull it slow, I do the start, but I don't know if it's supposed to, you know what I'm saying? I know it's not supposed to be that difficult, so. Yeah, but that's the ride, man. Like I said, I'm gonna put the grips on and the exhaust on tomorrow. I'll probably make some shorts of it or something to show y'all, and then I'll make another video with the new gear on there, you feel me? And yeah, Until then, I'm see y'all, man. Appreciate the support. Peace. Bruh, also, for those of y'all on my head in the comments about this arm, here you go. Nice and secured. All right, leave me alone.